Assalamualaikum viewers, today's reading is about it's for Taurus and June 2020. I'm going to start my reading now. What's for Taurus in June 2020? What's in June 2020 for Taurus? Yes, you are going to enjoy your luxury of life, a little happiness, and still you are not. You know that you don't have all of it, but you are still enjoying what is in here, and uh, missing someone also. You want your some wishes to come true. That's why you are not happy here. You want someone's love towards you. You are thinking about them. You are attracted towards them, okay, and listening towards the nature, and thinking and planning how I can go towards them, how can I marry them or love them or something. Yes, you are very burdened about it, very tense, burdened, or maybe you think that you are not good in this situation, and that's why you are protecting your own self. Yes, sun, but there is sun in this situation for you. They are good for you. You can move forward. They are good for you. What else for Taurus in June 2020? What next? Please tell me what next. Ace of Pentacles, something is new beginning in your money matter. Yes, you are holding money, holding something tightly in your hand and thinking about something else. You have something in your hand and you are also thinking about someone else. That something is going to end over here and something new is going to begin. Yes, you have to be strengthful, be a powerful person. Now there is hermit. Now you are like a hermit person because you're feeling very alone, or you are searching about something, and that's why you are at this time you are feeling alone. You are not getting with the others and thinking about something over here. What is this? Something bad that happens to you. Yes, someone betrayed you, someone want to win over you, and this had to happen in your past life. Okay, this is from your past life and you are still thinking of it and trying to get out of it, and you are now getting out of it. Yes, you are, I think so. Yes, you are still having the nightmares about these things, about these thinkings. You are still having a nightmares over this. Yes, the this is also the Capricorn card. um, what about this? Yes, Leo card and Virgo. Capricorn, Leo and Virgo, if that's going to help you. Okay, and this is a devil card. You have some kind of addictions in your life, or someone having a mask on their face and they are not telling truth about themselves to you. There is some kind of lie in this situation. what is this about your wishes, about your hopes. You're not telling your own self that what you want and what is good for you and what is not. Yes, I think so. That you are lying to your own self. Yes, hiding something to your own self. Yes, you are definitely lying. Yes, very much lying. And something because of this line, something is stuck over here. Maybe your heart is stuck over here. You have to tell your mind that what is right, what is the truth. You are having a bad time, you are moaning about something because you are not telling yourself the truth. That those who had gone, they are past, they are not in your life now. uh, if someone betrayed you, they are not good for you. You have to leave them, but you are not telling them to yourself. You are having a mask on yourself. Yes, you are still weeping on the spilled milk, spilled beverage, whatever this is. Yes, you don't want to think something else, about something new, something beautiful. Look, there is a waterfall over there, and this is very beautiful. But they are weeping over their glasses. You are weeping over your glasses, your past life. You can't do anything about your past life. You can do for your future, but don't you for your future and for your present. But you can't do anything for your past life. Move from them. Move from that time. Yes, definitely you have some kind of restrictions in your life at that time. Yes, you can't break that restrictions, that boundaries. Um, Equally give and take. How much you give towards others, how much you are giving towards others, the others give you back, payback. Okay, equally. And you are still not going to decide what you have to do, what you're supposed to do. You are still stuck in this thing. Yes, two of wands, clarify two of wands. What can I say now? What else for Taurus in June 2020? What else for Taurus in June 2020? For Taurus in June 2020. Temperance, definitely. Be patient. Heal now. Heal yourself. Speak the truth to yourself, to your own self. You are not speaking towards your own self. You are lying towards your own self. This is not good. People are lying towards others, and you are lying towards your own self. You know what is right, you know what is truth, and you are faking it. What is this? Your son is coming. You have to be healed and prepare for it. Okay, prepare for your son, prepare for your good life, your happiness. What else for Taurus in what year? In June 2020. Taurus are already a little bit stubborn and stuck in somewhere. This is your stubbornness. I know that. This is your stubbornness. You don't want to move forward. You want to stand still over here. Don't go anywhere. And when in this kind of climate, anyone stuck over here, they can die in this coldness. They have to move from here. You have to move from here. This is not good for you. This thing is not good for you. Move on. Decide something. Do something. Decide something else. This is not good for you. This situation is not good for you. What else for Taurus, June 2020. Change yourself. It's good for you. Sometimes the changes are good for you. It's for your own good. Show me the card I use. You want to win that thing. Yes, Emperor. You want to win that thing. You don't think anything else. You are not going towards anything else. You are still thinking about that. I want to win it. I have to win it. That's my mind. How can it be going towards others? It's mine. Leave this thing. You are not a real emperor. You're not thinking still. Any advice for Taurus in this situation? Any advice for Taurus in this situation? Any advice for Taurus in this situation? Read this. Any kind of advice for Taurus? No, not that much. All of these. The Sky God, honor, justice, leadership, and yes. Some kind of justice is coming towards you. Happen. You are going to be like a leader. Someone is following you, fellowship. But through Lord Cup, uncertain meaning, secret matter, mystery, hidden things, that you are having something hidden in yourself. Yes. You are not talking to truth towards yourself. Gifts, sacrifice and generosity, indicating balance. Sacrifice these things. Sacrifice for your own self. Move from here. Move from this situation. Woman, Mother Earth, femininity, love. Be like a woman. If you are a man, then you also have to have some qualities of woman in your inside you. You have to have. It make you more polite, more lovable, more attractive. Not someone weak. Mother Earth, femininity, love, like a Mother Earth, like to love someone else. Don't only love yourself. I want this and I want to get it. Love others also. Like a tiger, you want to win. You only want to win. You are not looking at towards other things. You are only focusing your aim. 1111. Change your perspective. Housefly. That person is not good for you, or these thinkings are not good for you. What is this? You have to achieve other things, not only what you want. Blue color, sky color, what can I say, spiritual color. Yes, you have to work on your spirituality. You have to work on it. Go and work on. First you have to go and work on your spirituality. Then you can understand what is universe going to you, what is good for you and what is not. Then you are going to tell yourself that what is the truth and what is the lie. Ancestral God. good health, harmony, truth, wisdom. You are going to see that. You are going to overcome this situation. Yes, can see that. Number 3, creativity. Your mind is going to be, your mind is going to change, inshallah. I hope that your mind is going to change about that thing, and you can think perfectly more with your what is good, what is the true, what is the justice. Yes, this is the reading for Taurus for today, for June 2020. I hope you like it. Please get something from this situation, what I am telling about you, your any matter. Go towards something else. Don't be that stubborn. Don't stuck over here. Move forward. Then you will get something good in your life. Something precious, something passionate. If you don't leave this thing, this matter over here, you are going to die. You are going to die alone. No one is with you. And you don't know what's the feeling of dying alone. That is the very bad feeling, to die alone. Nobody with you to serve you, to take care of you. The stubbornness is not good for anybody. You have to leave it over here. I hope that you like this situation, like this reading, and get something from here. Please like, share, subscribe my readings. Share it with others, with your friends, so that they can get something from here, some advice, something that is good for them. And please like, share, subscribe with lots of best wishes, lots of love. Bye.